Hey Planner peeps, how's everybody today? This is Planning with Donna Smith Wilson, and today I am doing an on-screen, unplanned ways to use up some of your stickers. Now these are just some things that I do that can spruce up. There's 3 different things going here, okay? First of all, welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and giving me a try. I think this is a pretty fun channel. I'm a little bit out of the box, a little bit crazy sometimes, so just bear with me. Thank you so much to all of you regular OGs that's been with me from day one. You know who you are, that comment on every video and uplift me and spread the word, and you mean so much to me. All my subscribers mean so much to me. So let's get on with the video. Just a few little things I think about in my free time. So first of all, the book that I'm going to be using is Planner Babe, and you'll see why in just a minute. This is a Happy Planner habit tracker. This is a Happy Planner bill expense tracker, okay? And this is an old mini planner. I'm just trying to make sure I'm still in frame because I reset my camera and it's like up in the sky. I'm going to repurpose it and I'll show you how to do that. And the book I'm going to use for that is This Is Us from Paper House, okay? So I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to show you what I do, or I'm going to start doing with my habit trackers, okay, and my expense tracking. Now, I use this pretty religiously. This one, not so much, and that's my fault. But I just wanted to show you something. Now, this on its own is just fine. You don't have to worry about it, none of that stuff. But on the back, I thought if you wanted to add some embellishments to this for the habit tracker, they had some cute stuff in here. Like, I know that this says note to self, but like if you had specific things that you wanted to do, that you're really trying to achieve, you could take a sticker like this must do and make a specific list. Like, let's say, more vegetables and fruits in your diet. Okay, let's just say that's a must-do goal that you have. So you could put down a little list of the stuff you need to pick up at the store. I'm going to put you've got this, and I'm going to put it right here. Because, you know, sometimes I think if you would write something like what you did accomplish, it's about small goals. So I feel like these are things that you can put down that are, you know, reaffirming and keep yourself lifted up. Up here at the top, I'm just going to add, this says yes girl. So you still can leave this. I mean, it's functional the way it is. But I thought, you know, if you're one of those people, it's like, I just have to incorporate some Happy Planner stickers or any stickers into something to make me have some kind of motivation. Now, if you wanted to take a planner part like this, and if you had like stickers that literally said like hydrate, you could do that. So what I would do here is, so your number 1 habit tracker, I have this book from Recollections that's clear trackers, and I was looking for it. So let's just say that something super simple. Y'all know I'm going to have to get that scalpel because it's like my extra hand. I use this thing religiously in every video. So let's just say one of the things that you want to track, I'm going to put it number 2 because hydrate's going to be number 1, is workout spending. which right now is pretty much not going to change for the moment because I have some stuff that I have to purchase in order to get where I'm going. So right here, I'm going to put this down here. This is going to be a habit tracker of no spending. None. Okay. And then up here, let me get my little hydrate sticker. And you know, if that's black and that bothers you, you know, that's okay. You can write it in. So we're just going to put this like so. And if you want to put more than one little bottle on there, you could do that. And just to keep things matchy-matchy, you know me and my matchy-matchy. And then we'll move on to the next one. We're going to put a little pink sneaker on there. Now see, it just added a little something to it. I feel like maybe give you inspiration. So that's our habit tracker. Super simple. Now we're going to do our expense tracker. This is something I usually don't. I use this as is. Okay. So with that being said, let me find my stickers in here for expenses. And what I like to do is note, I have 2 paydays a month, generally. I think June, we have 3. Thank you, Jesus. I like to note my paydays. And I also like to put the amount of my net pay. I also like to note any days off that I have. That way I know when I'm calculating up my PTO that, oh yeah, I was off that day. So many people don't do that. And then it's like, oh, wait a minute, my paycheck's wrong. No, my paycheck's not wrong. I just didn't write it down. Have you ever just thought, oh, I forgot all about that? Like say you pay your car insurance every 6 months and it's coming around. Stuff that's coming up, make sure you know about stuff like that because believe me, it will bite you in the rear end. And another thing that you can track is little things like, you know, birthday spending or gift spending or like your eating out spending. So what I like to do is I always usually use my debit card. And if I do cash, it means like a check. One of the bills that I do write out in a check is like my rent, that type of thing. And you can put that there. Now, you wouldn't normally put this down until it was time to actually pay the bill. But if you just wanted to make it a little more fun, spending your money is generally not fun. That's a way to do it. Like they have these little clips. These are so stinking cute. Look at there. Now see, you could just do little things. Remind yourself. Let's skip down one. That you have a birthday coming up that you have to buy a gift for. All right? And you just, you know, that's an expense. The point of this whole thing is I'm trying to be more diligent about where is my money going. I want to know where my money is going. And I think, you know, as planners, this is something we need to have a hold on. And so I'm going to put this little grocery cart right there. And that will be my groceries for the month. How much did I spend? So these are just little cute, quick, easy ideas that, you know, could really save you a lot of time. So let's just say here I'm going to put goals. And this will be my savings. What did I save, if anything, this month? That is a way for you to be able to track what am I saving, where's my money going? No spend, and then over here, I'll write in what did I save this month, okay? If you wanted to, you could put in like a monthly tracker up here that says May. That way, you know, from month to month to month. What I think I would do is go through my expense tracker and do 12 of these for the year, set it up ahead of time, know when your paydays are, note those, know big bills that are coming up like these, like your car insurances or taxes or things like that, that are a lot more money that you need to save for. And you can even have a category on here that's like, take this much out every payday. This could be here. And then you could also put it back here in a note, like car insurance, the due date, and amount. Okay, let's pick up where we left off. My storage was full on my phone, so I had to do some revamping. The struggles of the phone. All right, I took the liberty of going ahead and filling in the May 2022 spending goal savings, and then of course you could put your savings here, taxes, car maintenance. My birthday, instead of birthday, I put Mother's Day. So if you have something like that coming up, your groceries, what your total was for the month. And then here, I put my first payday, and then I'll be off the last Monday of the month for Memorial Day. So that's just a little way you can update stuff and better keep track of your expenses. We're going to redate this little planner here. All right. I'm just going to open it up to right here because we already know that it is May the 9th was last week. And we're just going to go right down through here, and we're going to put a 9, 10. If you want to, you can white it out. You can write it back in, whatever you want to do. This is just a way to use an old planner for something new. And this is going to be, because I have found, I'm trying to get a system. Some of my systems are working. Some of my systems are not working. And I think if I put this by the bed in the evenings when I'm not tired, that I will better be able to keep up with my brain dump. So this is primarily, like I said, it's going to be all about planning. So let's just take and put this here. Okay. And let's also put, let's just jazz it up a little bit. I love this little book. Like, I really love this little sticker book. It is so cute. So many cute little stickers. And their stuff is not as expensive as other places. And I just think they're super cute. I am going to use this just to put that down there on things that I need to get accomplished within that week. Now, you can keep it like that, or you can make it fancier. You can take this little book and let's see. Let's just put some positive reinforcement on here. And my video yesterday didn't do so great, so I'm going to put a positive vibe right there just to give me some oomph. And let's see. Let's do this believe in yourself, shall we? We're going to put that right up here. So I basically took an old planner from 21. This is a mini, horizontal. I redated it, put some stuff in here. This is going to be my brain dump mini journal, period. So I'm just going to, that was just a quick and easy way for me to show you. And I'm going to go through here and I'm just going to do all of that. I did figure out one cute little thing I wanted to share. I heard this the other day. I cannot remember what planner said it. These are actually the boxes where they've already been pulled off and used as a box. This is the outline of the box. Last night, I sat here, yes I did, And I took and trimmed around every one of these. And I just want to show you there's more than one way to use your box books. You can get a double use out of these if you are the type of person that wants to take, 5-10 minutes and pull apart. If I can get it apart, goodness gracious. Try to show y'all something, and that's the very time. There we go. So I'm just going to pull this loose. They come loose super easy. And we're just going to, and I put it down really gently because I want to try to get it straight. And we all know how much a challenge that is. There you go. You have another box sticker. And these were the bullets. And what I thought would be super cute is to take this strip where we once had bullet stickers, pull it apart. Now this is basically just showing you all. Okay, we're going to trim it because that's just a little bit big. Let's just cut it down to where it's 3. And this is giving you additional life from what you would normally throw in the trash. Just a quick little hack I wanted to share with you guys. Now you have a checklist and more boxes. And this is how much I've been cutting out. This is a lot of extra stuff. So don't throw this stuff away. All right, guys. It was quick. It was easy. This is a little how-to, a little hack, whatever you want to call it. Just some things I wanted to share to maybe help yourself get organized, save money, and use your stuff all the way down to where it's even trash. All right, guys. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.